Hello everyone and welcome to Shard TCG. Except today, we're not looking at Shard TCG, are we, Richard?
No.
So today we're taking a look at one of my old TCG projects. I did this for a couple of months and I learned a bit from it before moving on to Shard. Of course, I think Shard was a year or two later or something.
Yeah.
But I was having fun with these, experimenting on Photoshop. So this game was called Smash Pasties. Now I think if we turn the back over, there we go. It's
Smash
all,
Pasties.
yeah, it's all heavy Photoshop. You can really tell. Macho Nacho. It's amazing. I think I did a good job, you know. Yeah, we just want to have a look through because this might give some people ideas for their own homemade TCG as well. No, ignore that. Right, so we start from the top left, and you can see how I set it up originally. Is we had these tokens called tokens. They were duo tokens. You actually designed that for me as well.
Oh yeah.
So it's just like a roll of dough, and you would have to generate tokens to summon things onto the field. Everything was quite symbol based as well. You had attack and hunger. And this was a good trick actually with Smash Pasties. It's funny because the way to win is by actually losing field presence in order to fill up your opponent with food.
You gotta feed him.
So let's take a look at these anyway. So we've got Necro Nacho. As you can see, he's like summoning an undead there. What's his effect? I can't see because your hand's in the way. When Necro Nacho is served to the table instead of summoned to the field, recycle a food with Nacho in its name from your trash back to the table for free. Oh, that's good. I like the terminologies in this. I think it translates quite well.
Yeah.
You don't summon, you serve. It's not a field, it's a table. And it's not the graveyard, it's the trash. Oh yeah, and you didn't have life points or anything like that, or health. You had calories. So this is how many. So so this food is worth 100 calories. So Tinker Taco spare parts. Oh, we actually have spare parts in Shard TCG. Send Tinker Taco from your hand or the table to the trash to replenish Automatacos. An Automataco, where's that one?
Yeah.
Oh, right, Automataco. Let's have a look. When Automataco is destroyed and sent to the trash from the table, serve up to 4 Tinker Tacos from your hand or deck. Well, there you go.
So you attack them with a smash on the left, and that takes away from their calories on the right.
Yeah.
Is that right? And then, but if the opponent's field is clear, you can send your food straight to the opponent, and then they gain how many calories?
How many calories is left over in the health? It should have probably just been total calories to keep the game faster. But you know, we didn't have much practice play with this. So yeah, taking a look at these, we had the cookies as well. So you got a cookie crab, bit of a Pokemon reference if you get it.
I'm thinking of the crab song. This was before the crab song was a thing. Wow.
Cookie cluster. Cookie crab gains 50 smash for every food with cookie in its name that is currently on the table. Oh, that's nice. Fortune cookie. Pick and mix. While fortune cookie is on the table, every time you draw a card, you may choose to place that card back into the deck to reshuffle and draw again. Can only use this ability once per turn. See, the thing is, this game essentially didn't work very well. It was unrefined. But the puns. If you like cheesy puns.
Yeah, puns are beautiful. I mean, the game's not too bad, really. It just needed balancing, really.
Yeah, it was very basic. This is what I'm always guilty of, is going extremely basic.
I remember you spending time with Croissant Cocoon.
Oh, Croissant Cocoon. And I spent ages drawing all that, all the webbed butter. And I think it came out quite well, really. It looks quite good. Oh, God. I did that, did I?
It has no effects, it's got flavor text.
The beauty of me is that I'm very rich. Well, dumplings are very rich. It's a very rich food. Oh, ghost toast. Flutter waffle. This was my favourite. Come and have a look at this one, Richard.
Fluffer waffle.
Sugar spore. Oh, I even like that. Sugar spore.
Oh, yeah.
When flutter waffle is on the table, all food are immune to burn tokens. Oh, isn't that nice?
Oh, yes. Yeah, the wildfire, like their burn tokens, didn't they?
I think it's essentially wound, isn't it?
Yeah, it basically wound.
Let's take a look at the pies.
Legendary
Pizza Dragon.
Wow.
Okonom, the Pizza Dragon, Lord of the Cheese Skies of Gudea.
Oh, nice.
It's so cheesy. Oh God, that was. See, the puns are just too easy to make. Hot dog snail. Look at him.
Wow.
A flimsy hot dog with a tough shell. Unbread. Left for bread is his effect. Like hot dog mummy.
Right, no.
And then the effect has hot dog mummy the wrong way around. It says serve mummy hot dog from the trash back to the table. The cost of 1 token. Great stuff. Dalek bread.
Dalek bread.
Now that's bad.
Exterminate. Brilliant.
At the cost of 2 tokens, destroy one of your opponent's food on the table. Exterminate. Chicken baked. Spooky enchilada for the film cow fans out there.
Oh yes.
Ninja nachos. Oh, this was so silly. I'm glad I stopped this.
Silly, but with a bit of refinement, it could be a fun little random party card game.
It probably would. It's very colourful. I think it's very pleasing to the eyes looking at them all.
It's a fun, non-serious TCG, really.
Yeah, that was it. It was just to make something stupid, like ice creamer. Look at that. It's effect 5-second rule. Frosted donut. Obviously, it's an ice donut. It's not a frosted glazing. French toast. And it's got grill with an accent on it. Grill. Oh God, what else we got? Taser cake. That's not really a pun. Fairy cake's a pun. So we got swap meat. Multi-pie. At the cost of 4 tokens, serve up to 4 1-token food with pie in its name directly from your deck.
Wow.
Meat shield. Only play this card when your opponent declares an attack. Redirect your opponent's attack to any other food on your side of the table. Balanced diet.
Oh God. I think it was a burger and ice cream balancing the scales.
What's wrong with that? You got a problem with that?
You need a balanced diet.
Yeah, you got to balance your savouries from your sweets, obviously. Death by chocolate. That's such a bad cutout as well. Just got a bar of chocolate and cut my own knife shape into it, and then added a bevel. And it looks half decent. Brownie points.
No scones, only brownies.
Revenge is sweet. I drew that face.
Like an electrode.
I guess it is a bit. Rationing, obviously. Recycling. These are good puns. Shish kebab that card. With an exclamation point and everything. Truffle shuffle.
Shuffle.
Easy as pie. That's a saying. Flower power. None of your food can attack this turn. Food fix. You gotta get your food fix.
Oh yeah. The good old spanner. Spoons. please.
Muffin button. If you watch Dragon Ball Z Abridged, this is hilarious. If you don't, this means nothing. So we'll move on. Illuminatio, I didn't even notice that.
Oh, what Illuminatio? If you want to know the outcome of a game before the game has even started, you need to control each side. Nice.
I think I was just looking up conspiracy quotes or something.
Oh, that's brilliant. Oh, spring pie, yeah. This.
You like that? That's kind of the inspiration for air.
Yeah.
For air creatures to be heavy on the movement, because when I played with a pie deck, I was using spring pies to constantly move around, and when another pie had a pie moved next to it, it would trigger an effect, so you would use the spring pie to hop over it.
And then spring pie was cool because it swapped positions as well, so you know, haven't just got position jumping, but swapping. So, and then things that react to when they change position or when something changes position next to it. Totally need to go to town on this for air and avian.
Oh yeah, it's gonna come back in, and it's Smash Pasties. If you ever want to know the origin of it, sacrificial laugh.
God.
Destroyer food. God, the more you look at it, the more puns you see. It was just all about the puns, which I guess Imp is kind of getting. Our Imp types are getting the puns now.
Yeah, all that energy is going into them.
Okay guys, thanks so much for watching through this video as we take a look at Smash Pasties, our old homemade TCG. It's a cheesy game, but it's full of puns and full of fun, and it was just nice to revisit it and to share it with people on our channel. Please like and subscribe, and we hope to see you next time.